TMZ's Raquel Harper is taking her web series to television. BET Networks is set to premiere 12 half-hour episodes of Raq Rants, a late-night show featuring TMZ breakout personality Harper, from Telepictures and TMZ Productions. It will debut Tuesday, October 16 at midnight ET on BET. In the series, Harper takes her distinctive interviewing skills to the streets to talk to some of the biggest names in music, television, movies, and sports. The show will cover the latest events in news and pop culture, structured around 2 to 3 celebrity guests per episode. Raquel's voice is strong and unapologetic, said Harvey Levin. She has a worldview of life and is fearless about expressing it. Eva rarely met anyone who can move a conversation along in such an authentic, entertaining, interesting and informative way as Raquel.
Harper is a longtime producer at TMZ, who is crediting with breaking some of the biggest stories in hip-hop and entertainment. She has been a fixture on both TMZ on TV and TMZ Live, in addition to her web series Raq Rants, which garnered millions of views on YouTube. Harper is repped by Karen Kinney of KK Entertainment and Daryl D. Miller of Fox Rothschild. Raq Rants is produced by Harvey Levin Productions Incorporated in association with Telepictures and distributed by BET.
Harvey Levin, Ryan Regan, Raquel Harper and Patricia Childress serve as executive producers.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.